She can scratch a lot. They can never, never, never stop. She can scratch, can't scratch all day. Every now and then in the lifetime of a hen, there's something that you must do. So squat down on those legs, it's time to lay some eggs, and as the rooster crows, cock-a-doodle-doo! She can flap a lot. They can never, never, never stop. She can can't flap all day. Every now and then in the lifetime of a hen, there's something that you must